And the NWC is encouraging customers, especially those in Western Jamaica with utility bill queries, to contact its offices for a possible rebate. Speaking at Parliament's Public Administrations and Appropriations Committee on Wednesday, Corporate Relations Manager at the NWC, Delana Williams, says metered customers should see their bills being credited for the period when representatives could not physically visit communities.
We've also taken into consideration where there is a possible impact, for instance, by customers experiencing breaks, pipeline breaks, where water comes back. They may be not at home, the house was damaged, the property was damaged, but the water is now running to waste. And we have asked those customers, and we'll continue to publish, that we will offer a facility for those accounts to be examined and some kind of discretion be applied.
As for customers who usually receive estimated bills,
but to establish the restoration period, those accounts will also be written off in terms of any charges that were assessed post Melissa and onward up to the time when water is restored.